Hey everyone, this is Trainboy70. Today I'm doing an unboxing review and test one of Motorized 2025 Duck. It came all the way from England. So here he is. So there's Duck inside the packaging. There's Duck who came with a red truck. So here's the front, the bottom, the top, and the back. It shows some other Motorized Thomas available to buy. Thomas, Percy, James, Gordon, Neil, and Duck. Let's unbox Duck, shall we? Here's Duck. So here's the front, the top, side. It has GWR on it. That means Great Western Railway. And there's his number. The number is number 8. The back. And the other side. Same thing as the other side. Here's the red truck of the truck. So here's the front, side, the top, the back, the other side, and there's the front. Let's get Duck a battery. I think Duck takes AAA batteries. So I got the AAA batteries right here. So now let's get Duck a battery. Let's see Duck's work. We know it runs well. Hang on. There we go. Let's see Duck runs well. Well, we know Duck runs well. And now let's get Duck a test run, shall we? Well, that is a great test one of Motorized 2025 duck. Well guys, that's it with this video. Send a comment, press the button, subscribe to my channel. And we'll see you in the next video.